NCERT. Welcome to my channel, Learning Balance Life. Today we are going to talk about ionic bond formation. I am going to write a reaction which demonstrates ionic bond formation. So let's begin. We are going to do a reaction in between sodium and oxygen. Between sodium, Na, and oxygen, O, which ultimately leads to formation of sodium oxide, whose formula is Na2O. Now I am going to write the reaction. So here I have drawn two sodium atoms since the formula suggests so, and each of the sodium atoms have one valence electron, which I have represented with a cross. They have an electronic configuration of 281, and oxygen has 6 valence electrons, which I have represented with dots. It has an electronic configuration of 2,6. Now, the reaction. Over here, each of the sodium atoms lose its valence electron. Here, oxygen over here will attain, they will gain these 2 valence electrons in a pair. From each of them, it will attain the pair of valence electrons. So now there is a transfer of electrons. As a result, Na plus O2 minus, and again Na plus cation are formed, which have electronic configurations of 2,8, 2,8, 2,8. All of them have attained the octet configuration of neon. Now, this can be represented in Na plus 2 and O2 minus. Na plus 2 and O2 minus. This is another way in which we can represent these products. Ultimately, 2 Na plus cations and O2 minus oxide anion, are attracted to each other, by the electrostatic force of attraction, by the electrostatic force of attraction. Which ultimately leads to formation of an electrovalent or ionic bond. As a whole, unit Na plus 2 O2 minus is electrically neutral. Unit Na plus 2 O2 minus is electrically neutral. Now you may take a close look at this reaction. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.